So good morning guys, happy new year to you all. It is a brand new year. We're now in January the 3rd, I think it is today, or the 4th, it's Friday, and we're going to lift Quids In onto its trailer that we got, and we're going to take it home. It's been a while since I did a video guys, because we've had so much going on. I will explain further into the video what's been going on and what's been happening, but Quids In's been just left for a while. The weather turned, as you know, it's winter, Christmas, children and all them different things that have slowed me right down. But today we're going to get the trailer from over there. Where is it? It's about there it is. And we're going to get the big crane and we're going to drop Quids In on the trailer for the first time, and hopefully it actually sits on it correctly. So Paul's on the crane and we're going to try and get this loaded up, and we're going to take it home and find a parking space for it on the drive. See you in a minute. So Paul's just tracking the crane around to the boat, which is very handy having that crane on tracks, because it makes life just a little bit easier to get it out. On its way to Quids In. Alrighty. We're not far away now from the old £1 yacht, which is the old Quids In, so we're nearly there. Just a bit easier when you can just track the crane round. Nice little bit of kit, makes life a little bit easier. We just pushed the trailer into position just to get it somewhere near the boat, and just waiting on the crane. We'll grab some slings, put it around it, and I had to pump a lot of water out this morning, because inside Quids In was literally axle deep, because the cover I've got blew on the floor and then it was completely frozen solid inside, so I had to smash through the ice to pump it out. So pump as much water as I can get out. I can probably get a little bit more out over there, but yeah, she's going home to have a refit inside guys. We're going to get right on with it once again. We're back, it's January, time to get moving. Christmas is done. So Jonathan's grabbed the slings. Oh yeah, their little light ones will do perfect. Got the baby slings?
Baby slings.
Oh yes, we're in. It's gonna be some lift this, you know, it's a big heavy boat. It's the heaviest boat we're ever going to lift in this yard, ever. Yeah, best move that ladder out the way. I'll get it out the way. Yes. Just getting some attention again at last.
Keel, I think, the back strap.
Alright, we'll get the slings in place. That alright. Can you reach it? You have to drop them down a bit. You want it level, yeah.
Good start then on the trailer.
Yeah, level as we can get it. Be much easier. And we'll just drop it straight on the old trailer. if it actually fits on the trailer. That's the next question. It wasn't meant for it. Right, so I think she's gonna lift. Oh, there she goes. She's floating for the first time, but not in water. Floating from the crane. Not only can she sink, she can fly. Would have been a good opportunity to scrape the keel. Oh, hang on, it's just swinging a bit. I know. Oh, she's a light one. Trailer sailor though, you see, trailer sailor. Oh, look at that, it's going to sit perfect. I think it needs to come back a bit though, Jonathan.
Yeah.
Just for that clearance, you know, with it being the van on the back of it.
Yeah, sure. So, wait, boy, what is those keels? Are hollow, are they? What's in those keels?
Nothing?
Nothing.
No, it's a trailer sailor, it's got nothing in it.
What you see is what there is.
Yeah, yeah. I can move the trailer in position, you see. The boat can stay there. I can move the trailer instead of the boat, you know what I mean?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. But no, we can move it on there. I think, right, so
It's just working out how it's going to sit the best, you see, because I've got to have clearance and a foot.
come back a foot, but
Yeah.
that might mean that there's quite a bit on the arse end.
I'm not too bothered. I'll see how it sits. We'll see how it sits first. Right, guys, we're going to try and get this on the trailer, balance it out, and I'll see you in a minute. So she's on the trailer. Kind of fits okay, balance is all right. There's enough clearance at the back of the van. Just checking that again. So yeah, we're close, but we're fine there. We're all good. Just need strapping on. We've got some nice new straps. I need to check the tyre pressures just to make sure we've got enough air in them tyres for the journey. And then we'll tow it home. Alrighty. So yeah, sun's come out as well. And I wouldn't care this week's being forecast through the whole country to be -7s and stuff, freezing cold. So far, so good. But you know what it is now, guys? It's time for me to go across the marina and get myself a nice brew. Caramel latte, I think, for that little achievement. And Ocean Star's got the heating running full blast. I've come down this morning and fired the old Everspatcher up just to give it a nice bit of warmth and to see if it's running well. Oh yeah, she's bellowing out. Hopefully we'll warm that up inside and give it a bit of an air out. I've had the dehumidifier running for the whole winter, but she's looking good. And I've got a few things to tell you about what I've been doing to that, because that has been a mission also in the background. While I've not been creating videos for the £1 yacht, I've been working seriously hard on Ocean Star, doing a few upgrades. Major upgrades. Brand new Garmin smart pump autopilot installed, the display installed. I've put night vision cameras on it. We've got Psionics now on board. I'm looking forward to showing you all what I've been doing. And I can't do the full test because I've done Dockside Wizard on the new autopilot. Had to remove the previous autopilot, which was perfectly fine. The autopilot that was previously on the boat was a great autopilot, but it just didn't match up with the chart plotters, and it couldn't quite do everything I wanted to do because when you match Garmin with Garmin, of course, and you use the V2 new smart pump, it can even change your course on your waypoints for you and do all the turns. And I just thought, well, if you've got the features to do that, why not just use it? But let me tell you, I haven't documented installing that autopilot because it meant bleeding loads of hydraulics up, having new hydraulic pipes made, running cables and a backbone system through the entire boat in the engine room and everything else, and it sent me over the edge, and there was lots of swearing going on, and it wouldn't have been politically correct for YouTube for the amount of swearing I did. It really got me, and I was very annoyed with it, but it's installed and it works. So I'll show you that later. Anyway, I'm going for my brew. See you in a bit. So guys, the rain's come down heavy now. It's starting to get a bit nasty, but have a guess what? Look, it's on the trailer. We've got the old Temu straps on. Hopefully it holds it. I put a bit of air in that tyre because it was a little bit low. And I just remembered that there's also comes with a mast, and I thought I'd best put the mast on board. And because I've got a bit of an overhang, I've just shoved that high vis on just to, you know what some drivers are like, they might not be able to see it. And we're ready to go. I put the rudder on board and everything else. Let's get this home. I'm getting soaking wet. I've had enough already. Let's get out of here.
Yep, you're fine. You're clear at all angles. You're clear of both sides. But obviously it's your van, yeah. Yep, you're clear.
Oh yes. Made it to the driveway successfully.
Can you get through?
Kind of. Only 300 manoeuvres to get it on.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it's just there was a lot of traffic on the street. But yeah, it's here. I'll just get it further down. But I just thought I'd stop there for a minute because it's on the drive now. We're in, so all good. So it stopped raining just, and I backed it down the driveway. That was fun. And we got it to kind of here, and I was hoping I was going to be able to put the boat just over there. Move all that patio furniture and put it just like along that corner. But in the boatyard, the little 20-foot boat amongst all the big boats looks tiny. You bring it home on a trailer and it kind of seems like it's grown. So I don't think I'm going to be able to move it to where I wanted it. So it looks like it's going to have to stay here. I'll move it further back just to the end of the patio. But it looks like that's its new home. And we can get some work stuck on it. The reason I'm saying this, the reason why the boat had to come home, one, the cost of moorings is expensive. Like £1,000 it was going to be. It was due on the 31st of December for another year's rent, basically. And like £1,000, and as you know, the boat, it was only the £1 yacht, and we're trying to keep it on a budget. So it's just easier to bring it home because it doesn't cost me nothing to have it on the driveway. So, and also, just next door to me, my neighbour just there, is a joiner. And he's volunteered his services to help me fit the boat out inside to a professional standard. When you've got the right men with the right tools and has a workshop next door, it was a no-brainer to bring the boat home to have more access to the right equipment and everything on site. So hopefully we'll get it all tuned up very, very shortly. Windows are next. I need to make it watertight. When I went to go and bring the boat and put it on the trailer, it was absolutely full to the brim of water. So I pumped it out as best I can, but I had a cover over it, but all the winds we've had and all the weather we've had, there was no chance on this earth it was going to remain on the cover. So when I got there, the cover was on the floor. Yeah, so I'll get the mast off so we can get on board. I need to secure it so it doesn't tip and stuff once I unhitch it from the van still attached. And then we should be able to get stuck in. We have got some really icy conditions coming up and some miserable weather. Anyone from the UK is going to know that. They've seen the forecast. Today is Friday. This video will be going out today if I get to edit it and put it on before 4 o'clock, hopefully. So we're kind of in real time right now. We're literally a few hours before I launch this video. But the forecast is meant to be like -7s and -8s. So, I don't know how much I'm going to get done, but it's home. There's more videos coming out. I'm going to get straight back on this now, guys, and keep the videos coming. I do apologise for the time delay in uploading videos. The last one I sent a pic in the trailer up where I got the free rib and I cut the rib up, and that free little mini sail, wherever it is, down the side of the Pizza Hut. Yeah, sorry guys. See, there's another reason as well. You see, I've got Pizza Hut in the back garden. See that? Look at there. We've got pizza oven, so we're gonna actually cook on site as well. So yeah, the mini sail that came free with the £1 yacht trailer. We'll have a look at that when the weather gets better. But yeah, just a much better setup that, having it here. Cook pizza. Sun will come out. Patio furniture to sit on. Oh, we're in. Charge my batteries up for the cameras. I think we're good having it at home. Oh, that's where we're up to on the Quids In series. That's where we're up to at the minute. And thanks for staying tuned and you know, hit that subscribe button, guys. Keep me motivated to keep this project going. I'm not abandoning it. It's getting finished. We just need some nice sunny weather, and the sun's kind of currently beaming right now behind me. It feels quite warm all of a sudden, but yeah. Stay tuned. We're on it, like a car bonnet.